Hi, my name is Sherry from livingdiystyle.com, and as many of you know, I'm a pattern designer. And today I'm super excited to share with you my newest pattern that I'm so proud of, the women's ballet flat. It's one pattern that includes 5 different styles that you could make with your home sewing machine. And in just a minute, right here on YouTube, I'm going to be demonstrating step by step how to make one of the styles included in this pattern. It's this pattern right here in the picture, the basic ballet flat. Now, if you're looking for one of the other strap styles to make, then you can do that too. In the paper patterns in the tutorial that I sell, I'm going to explain everything step by step with pictures so that you know exactly how to make any of the shoe styles that you see in the picture that are included in this pattern. So just click right here below. You'll find the links to buy the pattern, or right here will take you to my website and it will take you right to the link where I'm selling this pattern. The reason I wanted to make a video today about my process of making shoes is because I know what a lot of you are probably thinking when you look at the title of this video. Making shoes on a sewing machine? No way, can't happen. Don't you need special lasts and hammers and nails and fancy equipment to make shoes? Well, I'm here to tell you that there are many different ways of making shoes. This is just a different technique. The method that I use uses paper patterns as the base of the pattern, and they are paper patterns that I've designed myself in 11 different sizes. So if you've got really small feet or if you've got really big feet, hopefully I've made the size that you need. So there's one more thing I want to talk to you about before we move on to the demonstration, and that is soling material. These are the 3 soling materials that I want to recommend to you today because I know that they work. They work for the ballet flats and really any of my shoe patterns. Because like we talked a little bit about before, the idea of sewing a shoe is kind of a strange idea. And I understand why, because I've made a fabric shoe here, which I actually really like. But as you can see, it has a fabric sole, and that's just not going to last. So I want to talk to you about these 3 options so that you can make the best soling choice for you. And I'll provide links to where you can buy them also. Option number 1, the 1/8 inch flexible rubber soling. This is probably my favorite option to make for the ballet flats. It's really easy to do. It only takes about 15 minutes. The way you go about doing it is after you sew your shoes together, you're going to glue this on with contact cement. And I provided a link right here where you can buy it. And here's another link to a video tutorial that I made to teach you exactly how to apply it. Option number 2, 1/4 inch moldable soling. How does that work? Well, you cut out an oversized sole and then you heat it up in your oven at a low temperature. You mold it around the sole of your foot, you trim it, sand it, and then you can just glue it on. Here's a link to a full tutorial that I made that will show you exactly how to do it. Option number 3, waterproof fabric soling. This is a polyester fabric with a rubberized coating on one side. It's tough enough to walk on pavement, but thin enough to sew. No glue is needed. A lot of people like that. And in the end, you will have a soft-soled shoe that gives you a minimalist barefoot feeling. So in the following demonstration, I'm going to be using this waterproof fabric soling. But if you want to make shoes with a hard sole, go ahead and just use regular fabric. That will work just fine. Then you can just add the hard sole on later. I really hope you enjoy this step-by-step demonstration.